Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking to you about how you can move down to the UK on a skilled worker visa this 2023. So I'm going to be showing you jobs you can apply to that have visa sponsorship, employers in the UK that are so willing to hire overseas workers. So recently, people have been finding it hard to find visa sponsorship jobs in the UK, and I just thought, let me just go around, look for these jobs, do a video and show you all about them. Okay, so if you're just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to my channel. Do subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notifications so you know every time I share a new video. If your dream is to migrate abroad this 2023, then you're in the right place. Turning on the post notifications for my channel is going to help you, because every time I post a new video, you get a notification that I've posted a new video. So you click on it and then you watch the video. All right, and if you're interested in content about how to make money online businesses you can do from the comfort of your home with zero capital, then do check out my second channel, Jackie Finance. That is where I share all those kinds of content. So do check out Jackie Finance, subscribe to the channel, watch the videos there, and learn how to gain financial freedom by running online businesses. Okay, so let's see the visa sponsorship jobs in the UK. Do watch to the end. There are a lot of jobs in different occupations, so there's something for everybody. All right. A modern purpose designed care home in Crawley requires a registered nurse, and this is for £46,904 a year, right? And this is a full-time position, so you can check this out. So it's Jupiter Recruitment that is advertising this job, so you can actually go check out this recruitment agency and check the jobs they have there. That's one way of finding jobs. Like whenever you see anything in a video, just go look at it to see more, because if any platform is advertising one job, it means they have others. So just work smart. When you see stuff like this, go there and check for other jobs. All right. Okay, so this is for a registered nurse. You need to be actually registered with NMC, and you can start that process from outside the UK. You just go to the NMC website and start the process of registering as a nurse or a midwife. All right, so these are the key duties for this job. Ensure the highest possible standards of care, oversee all aspects of medical management on your shift, ensure elements of resident experience are positive, basic nurse roles, nurse duties. And then these are the skills they are looking for: minimum of 6 to 12 months nursing experience. So if you've been a nurse for as little as 6 months, you can apply for this job. Be passionate, up to date clinical practices, evidence of continual professional development, provide excellent clinical support and supervision. And these are the benefits. They have an annual loyalty bonus of £1,000, 35 days annual leave. That is a lot. Company maternity pay, opportunities to work additional hours with an overtime premium. So you can work overtime and be paid for that. Bank holiday enhancements, individual training voucher allowance of £350. It's a lot of benefits right here, so you can check it out. And the last thing here is that tier 2 sponsorship is available, and that's the most important aspect of this information. Tier 2 visa sponsorship is available, so try and apply for this. So this is the URL. You may want to type this out into your URL. If you don't want to go search for this job on Indeed, you can type this out and just go directly to this job opening, right? Okay, so let's look at the next one. This is a registered general nurse. Okay, so this is £18 per hour, full-time position. So you can also check this out and apply. NMC preferred, meaning there's allowance for non-NMC, registered nurses to apply as well. But it's always good to, be the best candidate, because obviously they're going to hire the best. Okay, so this is it. These are the details of the job. So you can go check it out and apply. Apply for this job today and tell us about yourself, your experiences, and the qualities you have, which will make you an ideal candidate for this essential and rewarding role, right? Applicants who require Tier 2 sponsorship to work in the UK will be considered. So do search and apply for this job. Also on Indeed, this is the URL. You can type this out if you can't go search for this. You can just go to Indeed and search for this job title and you'll see it. Okay? So let's see the next one. Oh, it's also a registered nurse again. So a lot for registered nurses today. Okay, so this is just what it is, the nursing details basically. And this is also looking for a 6 to 12 months nursing experience. Be passionate about delivering person centered care, up to date clinical practices, this sort of things. And visa sponsorship is available as well. And the salary here is £46,904,000 a year. Okay, so next up is fish processor. This is different. Visa sponsorship is available for these positions, right? So benefits, subsidized accommodation. They're going to provide accommodation at a subsidized rate. And then you have company employee discount scheme, cycle to work scheme, auto enrollment to company pension scheme, 28 days paid holiday, career opportunities. And this is what the role is about. Day-to-day duties include, but not limited to, processing and packing fish products, supervising other team members, preparing pallet for dispatch, logistical task rather, and that is it. So the minimum requirement is 1 year experience, right? That's the minimum. You should have 1 year experience in the fishing industry, and working experience with shellfish, cuttlefish would be preferred. Moderate language skills, English. You should be able to have a moderate English language proficiency and adaptable to variable shift patterns, right? So this is real good. Check it out and apply. Visa sponsorship is available as we saw earlier, right? Visa sponsorship is available for these positions. Okay, and the next one here is a domiciliary care worker. So care workers, there is something for you here. You can check this out and apply, right? So they're looking for 1 year experience. And then this is Tier 2 visa sponsorship in the UK to work with a number of our clients. So if they have clients that they're hiring for, this is a recruitment agency, Recruiting 360 Limited. So they're hiring domiciliary care workers for their clients. So best believe that this is massive recruitment, right? Since they're going to be giving these domiciliary care workers to other clients. So care homes have contracted them to hire for them. So you should really apply for this. All right. So visa sponsorship is available. So just try it out and apply and see how it goes. All right. They say you must hold a full driving license and access to your own car, available to work alternate weekends. So if you have those qualities, then you can apply for this job. 1 year experience, yeah, UK or international driving license. So get your driving license before you move down to the UK so you can use it for your job. I've talked about this in the video I made about how to become a healthcare assistant in the UK. You can check out that video. It contains a step-by-step process on how to land the UK as a care assistant from scratch, right? So everything is there, how you can make it happen. And getting your driver's license was one of the steps that I mentioned there. So if you want to know everything you need, all the info you need to move down to the UK as a healthcare assistant, then do check out that video. All right, share this opportunity with others so they can take advantage of this as well. Let's spread the kindness around. Right. Okay, I hope you found this interesting. If you did, do give the video a like. That is give it a thumbs up. You know, those likes do encourage me. They make me happy that, wow, you like my content, and it motivates me to create more content. So if you want to see more valuable content from me, then do hit the like button. So share this opportunity with others also, so others can take advantage of this amazing opportunity. You know, same way I did this research and brought it to you, also share it with others. Let's spread the kindness around. All right, my name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.